Today, we're making the chicken kottu. Let's dive in. For this recipe, you'll need onion, 20 grams of leeks, 20 grams of carrot, 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, half of tomato, 1 tablespoon of curry powder, 1 tablespoon of chili flakes, 1 tablespoon of salt, 4 tablespoons of oil, 2 eggs, 5 to 6 godamba roti, chicken curry, heat some oil in the pan and scramble 2 eggs. After the eggs are done, throw in the carrots, leeks, onions, and garlic, and give it a good mix. Now, sprinkle in some curry powder, chili flakes, and season it with salt. Now add chopped roti, tomato and chicken curry. Chop and mix everything together. This is where the magic happens. And just like that, our delicious chicken kottu is ready. It's packed with flavor, full of spice, and absolutely mouth-watering. Serve it hot and enjoy! Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing recipes.